welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the top 10 things to do in Lisbon. So, if you're planning a trip to this beautiful city, make sure to watch till the end to discover all the must-visit attractions and activities. Number 10. Take a stroll through the historic neighborhood of Alfama. With its narrow streets, colorful houses and stunning views, Alfama is a true gem of Lisbon. Number 9. Visit the iconic Belém Tower. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only a symbol of the city, but also offers breathtaking views of the Tagus River. Number 8. Explore the vibrant LX Factory. This creative hub is home to trendy shops, art galleries and hip cafes, making it a perfect spot for art enthusiasts and foodies alike. Number 7. Indulge in the local cuisine at Mercado da Ribeira. This bustling food market offers a wide variety of traditional Portuguese dishes, from fresh seafood to mouth-watering pastries. Number 6. Immerse yourself in history at the Jerónimos Monastery. This magnificent architectural masterpiece is a testament to Portugal's rich past and is a must-visit for history buffs. Number 5. Take a ride on Tram 28. This iconic yellow tram takes you on a scenic journey through the city's narrow streets, allowing you to soak in the charm of Lisbon. Number 4. Discover the beauty of Sintra. Just a short train ride away from Lisbon, this enchanting town is known for its fairy tale-like palaces and lush gardens. Number 3. Enjoy the breathtaking views from the São Jorge Castle. Perched on a hilltop, this medieval castle offers panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. Number 2. Wander around the charming neighborhood of Bairro Alto. Known for its lively nightlife, this area is filled with trendy bars, live music venues and cozy restaurants. And finally, number 1, explore the historic district of Baixa. With its grand squares, elegant boulevards and stunning architecture, Baixa is the heart of Lisbon and a must-see for any visitor. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 10 things to do in Lisbon. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.